Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to day 2 of my 2024 holiday card series, year 10. Y'all, this was supposed to go up on Friday. This has been filmed. I filmed at the exact same time I filmed the paper one, but we lost internet on Thursday, and the soonest they could get somebody out here was Monday afternoon. So we literally didn't get internet until like very late on Monday afternoon. So I thought I'm just going to stick to my schedule, upload it today. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all of my holiday themed stamp sets, like bundles and stuff. And I'm going to share with you ones that I want to use specifically this holiday card series. Now, I'll be bringing in other things as well, but these are ones that I want to focus on, and they're basically the ones I haven't used in ever, like forever or ever, really. So I'm going to walk you through all of that. You get to see all of my goodies, and yeah. And there's still a craft room tour coming. Hopefully I will get that video up this Saturday. I still need to film it. The craft room is about 85% done. I did film Friday's video, so I got to clean up from that. And I did my makeup today. I have to clean up from that. So yeah, but you will be getting a craft room tour in the next few days. I promise. So yeah, so thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. My goal is to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday until Christmas Eve-ish holiday cards. And we're going to be doing other holidays besides just Christmas. And I'm going to try to, do some secular and some religious, kind of mix it up. We're going to be doing digital. We're going to be doing, whatever that is called. I don't know what the word I'm looking for. So anyway, let's head over to the craft table and let's go through my stamp sets. As you can see, I have various sizes. Right. Let's start with these so I can put these back first. So this is new to my collection. It may get used, I don't know. I definitely need to use this one. This is brand new. This is First Snow by Hello Bluebird. Skating Party by Hello Bluebird. Look at this, look at this. See this cat? Ugh, she's better be glad I love her. I have used this Sweet Christmas one before. We made a really cute gingerbread card. Beast Friends. I need to try to incorporate this one. But there's another Yeti stamp I think I want to use, so I'll keep that on the side. I need to use this one. This is the Art Impressions Animal Nativity. I just thought they were so cute, like this camel and this donkey has the cutest, sweetest little face. This one is new. This is Merry Carolers. This is one of the things I just got, or one of the ones I just got with my Hello Bluebird order. Their fall kit is going live soon. I'm going to start putting money away so I can get the holiday kit, hopefully, maybe, hopefully. And this one's also new. Doesn't mean it's not going to get used. It just means it's new, and I'm going to try to focus on other ones first. And this one is also new from Pink and Maine. That's the one I picked up off of in the mystery box. Okay. We've got a Twiddler's ink. Got 2. I actually like that one the best. Oh, my papery ink. I don't even know if she's still in business. I need to go see. I think there's another one I want to use instead of that one. Penguin ink. Christmas, I can't say that. Oh, clearly besotted. I'm so sad they went out of business, but she is designing for who are they? MFT. So Tiny Christmas, I've used that one. I've used this one. Oh gosh, so sweet. This is the one I may want to use from Papery Ink. We'll leave that right there. Got Winter Scene. I've used that one. I've used this one, Christmas Critters. I actually thought about getting rid of this one, but I can't. Oh, Deck the Tree. Oh, I may use this later down the road. It's meant to go with that treehouse die, so we'll keep that aside for now. The penguins from CC Designs. Yeah, we'll do that. The problem is they don't have any dies, but we can use this as like a 1-layer card. I've done the elves before. Oh, the 3 reindeer are so cute. I really want to use this one. This one's new. This is from the Sassy Club. This is the Ginger Man. I bought this off a D-Stash from B, who is on the design team for Stamp Anything. This one's new. That one's new. Oh, this one's new. So cute. Oh, we're definitely making the Naughty Kitties. I didn't get a chance to use those last year. We're making them. I've used this one a bunch. There's another one from Papery Ink. I think I've used. Oh, the Nutcrackers. I love them so much. And then I have this one, which isn't, this is more of like a die set. I put it in my stamp sets though, because it has a stencil and stuff. But this is supposed to look like one of those ceramic Christmas trees, and it's from Hello Blue. Nope. Not Hello Bluebird. It's right in my head. Honeybee Stamps. And then we have a Holiday Anya. I need to pick up the newest one. I don't know if she's out yet or not. Okay, so I put those in the wrong pile. I told you guys I have a lot. I have more holiday stamps than I have anything else. And I have probably more Hello Bluebird than I have anybody else. I'm going to leave this one out because I know there's another Papery Ink one that I'm missing. So put this one down. Let's take out the other ones. Okay. Oh, we're using this one for sure. This is the new one from Whimsy Stamps. It's new. I don't care. I have to color that stamp before we do anything else. Right there. Okay. We'll do the same thing with this. We will do the big ones first. Okay. So we're definitely doing this one. That's the new one from Hello Bluebird. I've already made cards with this one. And this one is new. I've definitely used this one. I don't love this one from Keep Fresh Studio. Oh, I'm missing a stamp. I don't love this one because it ripped, but you can color it with stencils. I've used this one clearly, and I've used this one. Oh, I forgot to put that card in that video. I was like, I'm gonna put it in the video, that I didn't. Okay, so we have this one that I used from Gerda Steiner. This one we can pull out. It's Sentiments. Oh, I need to pull out the other Sentiments too. My word, I have so many. Okay, so this one I've used clearly. I used the gingerbread on a 1-layer card where I had that cute elf. It was supposed to look like me. I don't know if you guys remember that. Oh, so I have Little Rascals. We'll pull this one in. Have I colored her? She looks inked up, but I don't remember using her on a card. No, she's new, so we'll use her because she's adorable. Okay. And I have some felt paper. Oh, I bet it would be really pretty to paper piece that. I've actually used this one. This is my only Craftin' Kimmy stamp set, but this illustrator is probably my favorite. Bring on the Merry. Deck the Halls from Doodlebug. I haven't used that one. I'll put it there. I've used this one, clearly. I haven't used this one. This is Twinkle in a Tangle. This is Santa and Mrs. Claus, and they're wrapped up in lights. Let's use that one. Oh, I'm really tempted by this one, but we'll wait. I'm definitely using these two. I've already had plans for these two. So these are from CC Designs. You have Tiny Jesus, and then you have the Tiny Wiseman. So you can probably guess what kind of card I'll make with these. If I can fit them all on. We'll see how we do, but I definitely am using those. I've already have plans for those. Okay, I've already used this one. So we'll pull out the other one. I don't remember. Did I just ink these and not color? We're gonna leave this out because I really am in the mood for that kind of cutesy. And this I use for thank you stamps. This is new from B. I think this is Possum Stamps, which went out of business. I was supposed to be on their design team, but they wanted their design team members to pay for some of this stuff, and you guys know I just can't do that every month. So this is Frappe Anya. She's not necessarily a Christmas card, Christmas image, but she's definitely one I want to color. Oh, we have this one from Sweet November Stamps. We have to do her too. Look, she's like in the Nutcracker. Look at her. She's so cute. This is a really great sentiment set from Hero Arts. And then I have this one from Simon Says Stamp. We'll leave those out. This one gets used all the time. I've used this one all the time. I have used these two from Papery Ink. And then I've used this one. I have it in Christmas. It's not a Christmas card stamp, but I have it in Christmas. So that is all of them. I must have sold that other one from Papery Ink. Why would I do that? This is what happens. I'm like, oh no, I'm never going to use it. And then I'm like, where's that stamp set? And then I'm like, oh, Misty, you sold it. Why would you do that? That's so rude. Okay, so let's take one more look at what we're using. So I'm going to be using the Sweet Holiday from Papery Ink. I'm going to be using the Naughty Kitties from Whimsy Stamps. Simon said, oh, I forgot these too. I have all of the sentiment stamps from Queen & Co. That's birthday. But I have Merry and Bright, Heartfelt Holiday. We've got the North Pole, all bundled up. Queen & Co. Happy Holidays. And then this one is from the ice cream. But I keep these over by me in case I pull out a kit. So we will use some of these as well. Probably the ones I haven't used. We'll make it we'll make an attempt to use those as well. Okay, so we have that. So we have these two sentiments. We've got the cute little Nutcracker ballet. We got a greeting form. We've got Abominable. We've got the first of two, I think, nativity cards. Santa and Mrs. Claus. Bring on the Merry from Hello Bluebird, or Deck the Halls. We have another Anya. We've got Roberto's Rascals. I think they're playing in the snow. Then we have another sentiment stamp. We've got the Hello Bluebird that I love. We've got the new Whimsy Stamps that I love. We've got the Clearly Besotted plushies. We've got Furry and Bright. This is a teen, oh, what's her name? She's not designing for them anymore, but I believe she still has her Etsy shop. Shoot, TT something, I don't remember. And then we're gonna do this nativity. Oh my gosh, that cat. Ugh, I love her, but why should I eat everything? We're gonna do this one, and I think I still have this pond that we can use for this, and then we have First Snow. So several Hello Bluebird, cute little critters for sure. We are definitely going to get some use out of these. Can I combine these two baskets so I have a basket just for those? Let's see. Will they all fit? Will they all fit? That's what I need to know. Oh, maybe they will all fit. Haha, they will all fit. Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to leave this basket in the cabinet. Ooh. And so yeah. All right, friends, that is it. I really do appreciate you. Let me know which one of these you think will be card number 1 for Monday. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Say hi in the comments. Feel free to share these videos. Let me know if there's any stamp set that I show that isn't in this basket that you would like me to use. And yeah, all right, I love you, friends, and I'll see you tomorrow and then again on Monday. Bye for now. Incorrect. You'll see me either Friday. Well, you'll see me Friday for sure. and possibly Saturday. This was filmed a couple weeks ago. Okay, bye.